Hi there. In this video, I'm going to give you 9 things that you need to know before hiring a personal injury lawyer. And if you've suffered a personal injury or you believe somebody else should bear somewhere all of the responsibility for it, then you may want to think about hiring a personal injury lawyer. And this is even more important if your injuries have been substantial or you've undergone a lot of cost behind the procedures that you followed. Now, the first thing that you want to look for is a free initial consultation. So some people think that it'll be too expensive to talk to a personal injury lawyer, but legal fees can be high. The vast majority of personal injury lawyers will offer an initial consultation, which is free of charge. So here you can get an appraisal of how much they'll be charging. The second tip is contingency fees. So the majority of lawyers will be prepared to act on your behalf without you having to pay any money up front. Number 3, the fees can be high, so find out what you'll have to pay before you actually become a client. The fourth tip is to look for expenses. So when your lawyer tells you the fees applicable, this only covers the lawyer's time. If your lawyer needs to hire somebody else to work on your behalf, that'll actually incur additional expenses, so try to find out what these expenses may be. The fifth thing is that there's no such thing as a guarantee to win. If any lawyer tells you that they will definitely win, you should seek somebody else. The sixth point is to be prepared for a long, drawn-out procedure. Cases of litigation can take years to resolve. So ask your lawyer for an estimate of how long he or she thinks it'll take for your case. The seventh tip is that insurance payouts may be refundable. When you're injured, medical or health insurance companies may settle some of your medical expenses, so make sure that you get in touch with your insurance company to find out what your compensation may be. The eighth point is to engage the services of a lawyer does not always result in a lawsuit. So you may not want to appear in a court to give evidence about your injuries, but it may never even come to that. If your lawyer thinks you have a good case, it's likely that the defendant's lawyer may advise his or her client to settle, which means you don't have to appear in court. And the ninth tip is that ambulance chasers are a no-no, which means this is an informal term used to describe people who track down those who've been injured and ask to represent them. So if you're being tracked down by a lawyer and asking to be represented by him or her, then it's better to steer clear. All right, now if you want to see the best personal injury lawyers in the Denver area, then go ahead and click the link in the description box below this video and visit the website to see some of the better personal injury lawyers in the Denver area who are available for hire. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.